Morning, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics from the chair. We were talking about V10s and the gasser engines. Well, somebody put on there about 100,000 miles. The coil's supposed to be changed. Yes. Well, let's back that up a little bit. On a regular truck with a V10 or a van or carpenter's van or something of that nature, plumbers, uh, somebody that installs carpet, not a carpenter van, but that vehicle is not continuously loaded. Now, in an RV, as soon as you start it and drive it, she's under a load. So that changes the thing, or the preventive maintenance schedule. She's under critical load. If you got a Class A or a B or a C, something of that nature with a Triton V10 or the old GM Workhorse, or even some of the ones out there that are Class C with a 6.0 in it, they're under continuous load. Okay, so when you see 60,000 miles on one of them, I don't know, it was like 120,000 miles on a regular van or a regular truck, or, that you occasionally load up once in a while, right? So let's change our mindset and move forward to better preventive maintenance. And remember, like I said, a lot of you, there's over 320 some videos now, probably, I don't know, 330. Who's counting, really? I do. But just to give me an idea of which ones are worth it and which ones to delete. So I've improved since I started my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, just like you have improved learning your RV. So let's do it. Mode 6 is done by a scanner, folks. Mode 1 through mode 10. All right. Mode 6 will let you go in and look at each cylinder contribution or misfires, like the first 10 drive cycles. And drive cycle ain't you start up, go to your grocery store and come back. You know what I mean? Drive cycle is different for each manufacturer of engine. But basically now we're down to GMs and Fords. Ford being the leader in the RV industry right now. So it will tell you how many misfires that you had even before you can feel them. So that'll give you an indication, right? The same way with the oil. Remember, if the engine's under a load, oil is under a load, all right? And coolant. A lot of you are changing your oils on time, but you ain't got a clue about coolant. I did a video on how to check for electrolysis, voltage in your coolant, believe it or not, because you have cast iron parts, you have steel parts, you have aluminum parts, and two different types of metals, when they're heated, make electricity, and this is electrolysis. So too much voltage can skew or change the readings of sensors or start electroplating stuff, all right, like heater cores. All right, so folks, that's it. Just throw something out there to you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? You're right. Test, not guess. Okay, look up these other videos, please. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.